In this video, I'm going to show you how to join MIDI clips in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to open a MIDI track. So as you can see here, I have one MIDI track and there's three different, or of course the same, MIDI clips in here. So it doesn't matter how long they are or whatever, they just have to be MIDI clips. And then to join them, it's actually super simple. All you have to do is consolidate them. So you want to first highlight all of them. The easiest is going to be to just click up here where you can see the selector tool, and then you can simply click and drag over all of them, and then you want to go to the top and you want to click on edit, and then from here it says consolidate clip. Click on that, and there we go. It's going to join them and make them one simple and of course one only MIDI clip in here. Now as you can see, there's a gap in between these, so of course you can cut these gaps if you want to as well, or even before you start you can just go and basically position them to where you can use them together. So if I position them like this next to each other, just like that, and if I then go again, select all of them like this, and then go to edit, consolidate, that's also going to work perfectly, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.